think about strategy, I think about the opportunities that an organization are going to pursue and then the value proposition that is needed to execute against those opportunities. And there's a constant symbiosis between those two. A critical component of strategy is getting your leadership to agree on the proposed direction, on the rationale, on the why, behind why certain decisions are being made, to ensure that the why cascades down from the leadership all the way down to the rest of the organization. Organizations that are less successful executing their strategies oftentimes struggle cascading strategy down to the lower levels of the organization where strategies get executed. Many clients undergo transformations without thinking at the operational level about what it is that they're trying to solve for. Corporate agendas very quickly turn into operational initiatives that don't tie back to any macro corporate priority. We see in the software world, we see in many organizations installing global software implementations without sufficient thought about the underlying organizational, people, cultural, and procedural changes that will need to occur. And as we know, installing a piece of software by itself will not enact any change in and of itself, as that technology that we deploy needs to be deployed holistically so that the organization not only embraces it, but uses it to achieve its objective. So I think companies have a lot of opportunities to make impact on their technological strategy direction by focusing on building capability, identifying first and foremost what capability or capabilities are required for your company to achieve the value proposition that it wants to in the market, whether it be around becoming a more automated company, a more digitized company, whether it's enabling your people, teaching your people to become better problem solvers or critical thinkers. Oftentimes we look at technology as a crutch to get in the way of capability, but using technology to enable capability building is the single best use for organizations. We have a lot of clients that after COVID are ready to spend again. A lot of clients that have spent a lot of money on enterprise applications. Not all of them are seeing the value that they would have hoped to see. Oftentimes this is a result of overemphasis on operational and tactical decisions, not using technology platforms to unlock the strategic intent of the technology, but rather using it as simple ticketing systems, order management systems, etc. We spend a lot of time speaking with clients about how do you extract the value out of the investments that you make, be they cost cutting, be they employee experience improvements, be they any other corporate return on investment initiative. We're seeing a lot of continued emphasis on long-term platform sustainability. A lot of clients are moving now to returning to out of the box. We see a lot of clients asking us to redesign their processes instead of customizing software, with an emphasis on long-term platform value. The challenge, of course, when you're talking about long-term platform gains is do you get the short-term return on investment, the short-term uplift that you need. So I think where a lot of companies are challenged is how do you maintain both a short-term focus on returns while maintaining a long-term focus on platform viability.